Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Tree of Harmony in Heartopia, the Little Pony update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, there is new event called the Harmony Tree Awakening, and then we need to find the Tree of Harmony to join the event. You can open up your map and then you're going to click on this icon, and here you'll be able to find the rainbow ladder to help you check on the Tree of Harmony. Okay, you can track this rainbow ladder. All right, and just follow the guidance, I mean. And here you will find the rainbow ladder and use this ladder to meet the Tree of Harmony. Okay, this ladder will bring us to the Tree of Harmony. And then guys, after you meet the Tree of Harmony, you'll be able to water and sense the tree. And after that, you will be able to get rewards. And the rewards will be Moonlight Crystal, and then a rare badge selection, and the time limited exhibition pass, and also the Harmony Energy Gem. And you can water the tree every day. Okay, and this is the tree. You can water it and also sense it. And for today, I've already watered the tree and also sensed the tree, so I need to go back to here tomorrow. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Tree of Harmony in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.